pre-sprayed everything. We're gonna scrub as soon as he's done with the carpet over there. We're just gonna be doing around here, not underneath there. That room carpet, tile, this room carpet. And in here, it smells like dog in here, so we're doing a pet treatment throughout all the carpeted areas. Actually, the whole pre-spray is kind of boosted with it anyway. This strong dander smell, you know. So, you know my pre-spray. If you follow my channel, if you don't, you know, subscribe and learn about how we, you know, do our cleaning, carpets, tile, upholstery, hardwood floors, all that. You know, I kind of show people how we clean. Not to say we're better than anybody else, but we do have an awesome reputation, and I'm pretty confident. If I can't get it clean, nobody can guarantee, and I've never had to give my money back. So, client's selling the property, and she just wants to get it looking good. So porcelain tile this type of porcelain tile is really, really tough to keep maintaining. Hey, how you doing? This color porcelain, I would never recommend it anybody ever purchases this for their house. Very hard to maintain and keep it looking good. So we're just going to be cleaning. We're not even going to be sealing it because she's just not worried about that. You know? Alright, so there was a little red stain. It was real small. She opted out of it. So I just did a little post spray on it. So as it dries, kind of a spray and walk away. Probably disappear by tomorrow. We'll see. I'm messing with you there. Alright, all pretty. Now, for the important part. Going around like this really makes the whole job a lot easier, because with your scrubbing machines, you're not going to get right against the walls. So, what I usually do is do this part. I'm more thorough with it than my helpers ever are. And I'm not being one of those bosses guys. It's just, they don't push too hard or something. I don't know. But once you get all this done good, clean is a lot easier. Yeah, get in the areas where the big scrubbers can't get to. what a difference. All right, so this is the before we even pre-spray. Oh yeah, what a difference. All right, machine stopped. Tank's full. So if your waste tank is working properly, you got to float in there, and it'll stop before it overflows. If it's faulty, it's gonna make a big mess. So drain it out, and then continue. We're about 3/4 of the way done. Easy clean. Came out beautiful, right, guys? So, tip. Customer went through and she said, "Hey, is it gonna become any cleaner than that?" I'm like, huh? And I looked at it. It looks beautiful, right? But it's a little darker because it's wet. So I told her, 24 hours before you can see the full, final results. So usually I put a fan down to do like in one area so she can get a preview, which I'm kicking myself in the butt I didn't do. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna get that and put that in the back room, and so she can get a little preview. All right, but she's really understands. She gets it. I told her, it's as clean as it's gonna get, and trust me, it's gonna look beautiful when it's dry. So yeah, a lot of water. Yeah, it's looking at me. She was ecstatic when she seen it. It's only been on there for about 15 minutes. So guys, really important. You're gonna get that a lot of times, right? And the first thing I usually say, but she didn't even really give me a chance to tell her before she came in there, snuck in to use the bathroom. So I was a little late on to let her know. She'll see the results in 24 hours. So just doing a little edge, soaking up some of the excess water and corner stuff. We're not sealing it today. She just wants the cleaning, so she's selling it. She wants to save a penny. All right, that's great. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Customer was super happy with the job. The scenario was she had called another company, a local company, give her a quote, and for some reason, it came out of her mouth that she just didn't like the people or the person, when they came and got the quote. So she had called a company in Ventura on accident, and the company in Ventura happened to know a Green Rhino all the way here in San Luis Obispo County, and referred her to me. That's how she found me. So I know this because when I'm done, I always ask for a review. I'm going to send you a link if you don't mind. She said, well, I don't do those things. I don't believe in social media kind of stuff. I'm like, oh, really? Well, it's not really social media. It's Google a local business. And it helps us get business. She said, yeah, I did it. I just don't do that. So I said, isn't that how you found us? And then she told me the story. Actually, I got the story wrong. I'm mixing it up. When she first called, she told me she didn't like the people. But she reminded me when I asked her for a review. So I didn't charge less than the other people, because she straight up said how much they were charging per square foot. I just matched it, and it was just a clean, and so that's how she found me. These people in Ventura maybe know me from YouTube. So if you watch my channel and you refer me, thank you. I appreciate that. let me know who you are, and I'll refer people to you for sure. All right, so yeah, I hope you guys like that one. You know, typical tile cleaning job, residential. Not a huge money job. It's only $985. It only took us 2.5 hours. The only reason why it's such a low ticket for tile, it was 985 square feet. So now you know how much I charge per square foot for this job, $1. It's because she didn't opt in for the seal, or else it would have been more. All right, that would have been more of probably $1,200 or $1,300 job. So, all right, guys, that's it for this one. Please like, subscribe, comment, like always. You know, just say something down there. Just put one or something, anything. Google has to know people are watching, and I know I give too much information out sometimes to where I'm asking all the questions in the I'm answering all the questions in the video, so you guys have nothing to ask. Just say what up, Tommy? How's the weather in Paso? 100 degrees. First day of spring. Crazy. See you next one.